What's up, YouTube? Been gone for a long time, but that's because I kind of didn't have any money to spend to show y'all any cool stuff that I've been doing, because I hadn't been doing much cool stuff. But that's all changed. So come across a little bit of money, spend it real fast, and spend it on my little car that I've been working on for too long, probably 3 years plus now. And so I got a story to tell. Carried it out with the old setup, and back with the old setup I had these front wheels, and if you notice they don't have any lug nuts on them, and they didn't have any front brakes tied to them, so I was entirely dependent on back brakes of zero SRF motorcycles. Now they work really good for like 2,000 miles. And I was really proud of my little car, and wintertime was coming up, and it was kind of that point in time where I still had no windshield. I didn't have any kind of little wind blocker or anything like that, and it was getting cold. And my buddy Brandon, we took it out for a spin. It was his first ride in Eddie and everything, and got out in the driveway with it, checked the brakes, and there were none. So sketchily brought that thing back home. Sketchily is an understatement that cannot be overstated. And got it back to the house, didn't run into anything, and realized total failure. Master cylinder on the motorcycle gave out on the primary. I was using the left side as primary brake, and secondary was like coming into the passenger side bike. So it was the kind of thing where I had regen, and regen is active until about 18 or 15 mile an hour, and at about 15 mile an hour I just lost everything. So I could slow down very well from 75 to 15, and then slowly run into whatever it was that was in front of me. That's so unideal that I decided to bite the bullet and contacted Aircool. It's a Volkswagen Porsche based company that has made all these different conversion kits for Volkswagen Porsche front ends, and I cannot be happier with the results and the quality of their kit. It is just immaculate. I'll go over that and kind of give you a rundown on how that's all installed. It's super easy. They do come with instructions. I don't know what the quality of the instructions are because I did not read those. And it's pretty self-explanatory, but the fitment and the look is just above what I expected. It's really, really good stuff. So, with no further ado, we'll get you up off the tripod, show you what I got going on down here. I mean, how sick is that? Got the race stars on there, got the Wilwood calipers, 4-piston, and they are pretty. Went with a bronze wheel on this side because that bike has a bronze wheel, and I don't know, it's just kind of a cool thing to like run two different colors. First time I've ever done that, and I'm digging the split personality of the car. You know, it's got like got a dark side and it's got a golden side kind of thing. So yeah, the Wilwood calipers have multiple bleeders. I'm assuming that's so that you can like install them anywhere, like orientation wise, but it's got 4 bleeders on a 4-piston. It's my first time dealing with any of that, but pad swaps couldn't be any easier. It's one cotter pin. It's 3 bolts that hold it to the spindle, and that's a factory spindle, Volkswagen stuff. And the hub itself, like the rotor and the hub that has the lugs are already like pre-installed. So when this arrives to you, the hub is already put together. It does not have the bearings in it unless you choose to do that. I did not choose to do that. I tried to save the money and just, you know, bite the bullet and do the work. That's fine for me. I think a lot of people would benefit. Just spend $50 and let them put the bearings in, because they are time consuming in a way if you've never done it. I stuck them in the freezer and beat them in with a socket, and it's fine, but you know, that's not for everybody. And it comes with some brake hoses. It does not come with any hard lines. It comes with the master cylinder, but it does not come with a little like adjustable pedal. I'm not sure what that part is called, to be honest with you, but I found me one, kind of like a little plunger rod, I guess. It's like the rod that goes to the plunger. But all of this was so easy to install, so easy to bleed. It's just the simplest conversion kit that I've ever had to deal with. Everything that I buy, it seems like I have to modify it for some reason, but this took no modification whatsoever. Just bolted right on, and all of a sudden it stops. And soon, when it quits raining, I mean, it is raining like a Japanese bukkake video out there. But once it quits raining, we're gonna get some action vids. We're gonna see how this thing really stops, not just rolling it around in the shop. And I am so excited about it. So soon to come, we are about to do a test drive, and it's gonna be awesome. Woo, Eddie. First time outside with new front end parts on it. It's looking good. Looking so good. About to take that test drive. And front end, I forgot to mention, it got like 4 or 5 inches wider. So if you're going from a spindle with no front brakes to front brake conversion kit, account for that, because I mean, there's no way to avoid it. So yeah, I love the new look though. It is sweet. It is sweet. I'll take it. Alright, so get my mess together and hop in and take it for a spin. Go get me some lunch. So I haven't even left the driveway yet, but man, they work so good. Watch this. Get a little rolling start. What? The mug will lock right up. It's wet too, so yes, I'm gonna ride to lunch and bed these rotors in a little bit and try to beat the rain back home. Hopefully I ain't gonna be wet. The roof on this car ain't all that great, so this is great. My mess is working good. Excited about it. King.
Now what's the price for that?
I don't want the combo. I just want the burger. And can I get that with just mustard only?
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Absolutely. $8 Zach has the very first window.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem.
This car is so much easier to drive with these front brakes. It is crazy. It's like having a regular car. Hey man, say hey to you too.
Hello. And here you go.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
I hope you have an awesome day.
You too now.
Yeah, man.
Drive safe.
I'm gonna try. It ain't real safe, but you know.
Well, at least try your best.
That's right. I made it myself.
Really?
Yeah, I made it from scratch. So I mean,
That's actually really
it's hard to trust it. You know what I'm saying?
As long as you have faith.
That's it. Have a good one, man. Man, it's like driving a Camry. It's crazy. Front brakes for the win. I will never, ever drive something spindles again. Thank you. Have a nice one. All right, test drive complete. Gonna head back to the house and check all my bolts and nuts and fittings and everything like that. Make sure I ain't got no leaks. And then we got a car show Saturday, Spring Heat Choco Witten Tea. Gonna be there, gonna get a trophy, gonna give $20, gonna get that $5 trophy, gonna be a hero. So I made it back and I ate my cheeseburger and I'm looking over the car and there's nothing wrong with it. It's great. It stops on a dime. The brakes are a little noisier than I expected. You would not hear that on an automobile with an engine, any kind of engine. But the fact that I'm running 2 motors that don't have a whole lot of decibels, I can hear everything. And it came with like some stickers that were on the rotors there, and I think that may be part of the noise, just the fact that it's like still rubbing that little bit of a sticker. So maybe once the stickers are completely gone, I could not peel them off. They were very sturdy stickers, but stops so good, goes so good, everything worked like it should have been this way from the beginning. Car show bound. I bet I'm the only one there with one of these. Y'all have a good one. Keep between the ditches. We're exhausted.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Been gone for too long.